put you in handcuffs. We don't have to. Just get it over with. All right, come on.
What's up, bro?
All right, stop. Ryan.
Help!
This is all on body cam.
Help, bro!
It's on body cam. It's not.
I ain't did that, bro. I ain't did that. Bro, help!
This body cam footage recorded on April 19, 2023, captures officers responding to a suspected presence of cannabis on an individual entering a courtroom. The footage provides an unedited view into this law enforcement interaction. Officers detect a strong odor that is consistent with raw cannabis. They advise the subject of their concerns and explain the next steps required as part of standard protocol.
Smell like raw marijuana. When you walk back into the courtroom before, multiple people notice that you smell like raw marijuana. You're going to be strip searched. Do you have any on your person? You just want to go ahead and hand over right now. I can still smell it right here, right now. So I'm just asking. That's fine. I understand that. I'm having a conversation with you before we go forward. So I need you to go ahead and take your clothes off, buddy.
I'm saying what I ain't almost
Ron, take your clothes off, buddy.
Bro, what the hell y'all don't got?
Right. I'm just giving you instructions. I have to right now. Okay?
Go ahead and take your shoes off.
Hold on one second. Hold on. You can answer the button. I'll do it. Where'd you get this one?
I've been at it on me all day. You probably give me my shirt. They got your shirt today.
So you got a shirt today that smells like weed?
Yeah, I had to.
Go ahead and take the shirt off, buddy.
Yeah, bud. I have no idea. I was told to come. Who told y'all to come?
Lieutenant Gibson just
Lieutenant Gibson did.
No, hold on.
They just went and talked to the judge right now, and he said he's taking no recess.
What happened?
She's on her way up here to talk. Your sources.
You can check it in. Hands and shoes, buddy.
As part of the investigation, officers politely request the subject to remove clothing items that may conceal contraband. The subject cooperates with the search, allowing officers to check for any prohibited items.
I can smell it hardcore. Yeah, no, I mean, you can smell it.
You gotta get a shirt, bro. I don't know how.
Thanks. Socks, please.
Squat collar.
Give me a second.
All right, gonna take that one off. All right, no, take everything off.
I'm not, that's harassment, bro. I'm
Right.
not doing that, bro. Hell.
Ryan,
Take it out.
probably
Take it
cause to do it right now. It still smells like raw marijuana in here. I understand what you're saying.
I don't got shit on me, bro.
I understand.
I just stripped, bro. I'm squatting collar, bro. I'm not about to strip, man. No, bro.
Ryan, you have to take your clothes off. That's what a strip search is.
What you gonna take my clothes off, bro?
You
Squatting
have
collar.
to. I know you don't want to do this. I don't want to have to see you naked right now. Honestly, I don't. I don't get off on this. I don't feel good about this. But it's what has to happen because it smells like that.
Throughout the process, officers maintain a calm and professional tone, explaining the necessity of the actions being taken, respecting the dignity of the individual involved.
I ain't did nothing wrong.
Just
We'll get it over with, man. The quicker you do it, the quicker it'll be over.
I don't. Just please listen to me, man to man, right now. It's either I have to put you in handcuffs or take your underwear off you, which I don't want to do. I don't want to have to do that to another man. I'm trying to offer you to do this chance right now. I know you don't want to do that.
I need to talk to my lawyer or something.
You can in just a second.
I need to talk to my lawyer.
You can in just a second.
I'm gonna get script search for you to my weed, bro. Ain't nobody.
After attempts at compliance, some resistance occurs. Officers apply necessary force while ensuring safety and control, in accordance with applicable policies and training.
Bro, what the hell?
Ryan, don't.
Stop.
Man,
Take him to the other body.
man, bro, bro, come on, bro, I ain't did nothing, bro.
Watch his head. Just stop tripping, bro. Stop. Just stop, dude. Or you want to do it here and just get it over with?
Brian did nothing, bro.
We don't want to put you in handcuffs. We don't have to. Just get it over with. All right, come on.
What's up, bro?
All right, stop. Ryan.
Help!
This is all on body cam.
Help, bro!
It's on body cam. It's not.
Brian did nothing, bro. Brian did nothing. Bro, help! 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 Help!
Stop.
Help! Help!
Stop.
Help!
Stop.
Help!
Hey, do not. Stop. Take his leg. Take his leg. Stop. He's trying to hit it. He's trying to slam his head.
Slow it down. Slow it down.
Slow down. All right, stop. Stop, bro. Hit him. Stop. You want to just check it real quick? Your arm. Who has a baton? Stop. You have your baton on your hip. Stop, bro. Just stop. Let go. Let go. Let go. Let go. There we go. All right. Underwear are good to go.
His hand.
That's it.
His other hand.
Ryan. What? All right. I'll have gloves on. Stand him up. Stand him up. Ryan, we're going to stand you up, okay? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Come on. I can smell the weed. Yes.
His pants.
I bet you I can smell it.
Yep, I feel it right there.
I got it.
Hold on. Take his pants off. Take his underwear off.
Just pull them down. Just get it out.
Man, all right, come on, where you got it? Now come on, where you got it? My arm, bro. My arm. My arm, bro. My arm about to break.
You got it.
The search results in the discovery of suspected cannabis. Officers secure evidence following department procedures, concluding the encounter responsibly.
Can we have his pants from court?
Yeah.
They're in the other cell at the front, so we can cover him up.
Hey, can,
Where that?
front, the first cell, can you grab his pants?
My arm broke, bro. Can you please take the baton out my
Get that
arm,
off.
please? Yeah, but my fucking arm broke.
All right, hold on.
I got it.
Okay.
You gotta calm down, dude. It's not worth that over some weed, dude.
My arm broke, bro.
Guilty.
I wouldn't open. Unless y'all got some evidence bags, I wouldn't open that in here.
You gonna get some
Don't open it. Don't open it.
I'm gonna go downstairs and get some evidence bag.
All right.
Not yet.
I don't got gloves, or I'd help him put his pants on.
You got pants? Yeah. Close that door too, so we can cover him. Hold on 1 second, please, so we can cover him.
Yeah, I just wouldn't open it in case it'll make a mess.
Yeah, they wanted us to wait. You told y'all to come in and start.
I have no idea. Okay.
both of the little balloons bags, or was it both weed or something in the other one?
We'll check in a second.
This recording exemplifies the importance of body-worn cameras in promoting transparency and accountability in law enforcement interactions.